Good day, lovely people. It's COFRANCIS art. Today we love to learn how to draw an Afro coily hair, or how to draw a coily hair. So this is my dry brush I'll be using to draw the coily hair. We'll work mostly with charcoal pencil, but we'll make our sketch first with HB pencil. This is okay, I'm using 8B pencil, and you can use HB pencil or B series. Alright, let's make our sketch. Draw this portion of the hair. I will be working on this portion of the hair. So let's pick up our charcoal pencil, our charcoal dust, or we use our dry brush to spread our charcoal dust on the particular portion we'll be drawing our coil hair on. So this is the first stage of this tutorial. So the first thing we should do, pick up your charcoal dust, rub your dry brush on it, and push it around the portion of the hair. As a matter of fact, this is the first layer. This is the first thing you're expected to do if you want to draw this kind of hair, or drawing any hair. Is the easiest way you can do that, right? The second stage, get a charcoal pencil and draw some curves on the hair. The third stage, we are going to use our dry brush and scrub this portion of the hair. Use it to scrub the hair gently. Please do it gently so that you don't scratch your paper, since you're using a hard brush. Use your Tombow eraser to draw some highlight on this part of the hair. Remember, we are not drawing dotted highlights. At least we are using a Tombow eraser to draw something that looks like a zigzag or an X shape. You see that? Okay, let's do it again so that you can see. You see, something like an X shape. You can use zigzag or you can use cycle. You can draw it like a cycle according to the pattern of the hair, right? Just in case you still don't understand what we're doing here, you can go check my blog post where I talked about how to draw a curly hair. Alright, so let's move forward. I put the post URL down on the description box so you can go check it. If you're working with a reference photo, it's best to replicate what you're seeing. So you just add the highlight. You're supposed to add the highlight, right? So hit the subscription button just in case you've not subscribed, and hit your notification bell to see more posts on this channel. The last stage is just to use your brush, blur some areas that needs to be blurred. Alright, so that's the last stage. Bye.